Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Arnarquagssaq, renowned as the Inuit Goddess of the sky, aurora borealis, and wisdom. Part 1. Significance of goddess Arnarquagssaq. What does Arnarquagssaq represent in mythology? Goddess Arnarquagssaq holds great significance in Inuit mythology, representing the profound connection between the indigenous communities of the Arctic and the natural world around them. As the goddess of the hunt, she embodies the strength, resilience, and wisdom required to thrive in the harsh Arctic environment. Arnarquagssaq symbolizes the deep reverence and respect that Inuit people have for the land, sea, and animals that sustain their way of life. She is believed to guide hunters, ensuring their success and providing for the needs of the community. Arnarquagssaq also embodies the spirit of nurturing and protection, emphasizing the importance of balance and harmony between humans and nature. Through her mythological presence, this revered goddess reminds us of the vital role played by traditional ecological knowledge and the interconnectedness of all living beings in sustaining our planet. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Arnarquagssaq. Embodying archetypes. The dynamic essence of goddess Arnarquagssaq in Inuit mythology. This goddess encompasses various archetypal characteristics that resonate deeply within the realm of mythology. As the provider and protector, she embodies the archetype of the mother, nurturing and sustaining the community through her connection to the land and its resources. She represents the hunter, possessing the skills and wisdom necessary to navigate the Arctic environment and secure sustenance for her people. Arnarquagssaq also embodies the archetype of the guardian, symbolizing strength and dominance over the natural world, particularly through her association with powerful creatures like the polar bear. Her role as a guide and mentor to hunters aligns her with the archetype of the wise woman, imparting knowledge and ensuring the preservation of ancestral traditions. Furthermore, as a bridge between humanity and nature, Arnarquagssaq embodies the archetype of the Earth Mother, highlighting the interconnectedness and interdependence between humans and the environment. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Arnarquagssaq. Arctic palette, exploring the colors of nature in the symbolism of goddess Arnarquagssaq. Arnarquagssaq is symbolized by the bow and arrow, representing her role as the provider of sustenance through hunting. She is often depicted wearing an Inuit amauti, symbolizing her nurturing and protective nature. The Arctic poppy holds significance as a plant associated with her, reflecting her strength, adaptability, and connection to the Arctic landscape. Animals like the polar bear and caribou are linked to Arnarquagssaq, symbolizing her guardianship and provision for the community. Colors derived from the Arctic landscape, such as white for purity and snow, blue for the vastness of the Arctic Ocean, and earthy tones representing the land's abundance, all represent her connections to different aspects of the natural world. Part 4. The story of goddess Arnarquagssaq. Whispers of the Northern Lights, Inuit beliefs and rituals surrounding Arnarquagssaq. Once upon a time, in the ethereal realm of the Arctic, there existed a powerful and enigmatic goddess named Arnarquagssaq. She was a guardian of the ice and snow, her presence felt in the shimmering auroras that danced across the sky. Arnarquagssaq's essence was as elusive as the fleeting light, captivating the hearts of those who dared to venture into the frozen wilderness. She was adorned in a flowing gown of pure white, symbolizing the pristine beauty of the Arctic landscape. Her long, silvery hair cascaded down her back like icicles, and her eyes sparkled like the frozen stars. Arnarquagssaq possessed an otherworldly grace, gliding across the icy tundra with an elegance that mirrored the tranquil stillness of the winter. Arnarquagssaq was known for her profound wisdom and ability to bring harmony to the frozen lands. She possessed a deep connection with the spirits of the animals that called the Arctic home, from the majestic polar bears to the agile Arctic foxes. Through her gentle touch, she nurtured and protected the delicate balance of life in this harsh and unforgiving environment. Legends whispered that Arnarquagssaq's very breath could summon the ethereal winds, creating mesmerizing snowstorms that would blanket the Arctic in a soft, white embrace. She was revered by the Inuit people, who believed that her presence brought both the calm of the winter nights and the excitement of the dancing auroras. In times of uncertainty and strife, the Inuit people would gather under the shimmering lights of the auroras, invoking the name of Arnarquagssaq. They sought her guidance, wisdom, and blessings for a prosperous hunt, protection from the elements, and a harmonious existence with the Arctic wilderness. To this day, the spirit of Arnarquagssaq continues to weave her enchantment over the Arctic, reminding all who behold her ethereal beauty of the delicate balance of nature and the sacredness of this icy realm. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Arnarquagssaq archetype. Strategy 1. Explore the power of cold. Explore the transformative benefits of cold exposure. Adopt practices such as cold showers, ice baths, or winter swimming. These experiences can enhance mental resilience, boost immune function, and promote a sense of vitality and empowerment. Strategy 2. Immerse in nature's depths. Embrace the teachings of Goddess Arnarquagssaq and deepen your connection with the natural world. Emulate the practices of Japanese monks by engaging in the transformative act of standing under a cold waterfall, known as taki shugyo. Allow the invigorating rush of water to cleanse your body and awaken your senses, fostering resilience and inner strength. Combine this practice with spending time outdoors, adopting eco-friendly habits, and cultivating a profound understanding of your local ecosystem. Strategy 3. Connecting with the dance of the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, is a celestial phenomenon that holds deep spiritual significance in Arctic traditions. A transformation strategy is to connect with the dance of the Northern Lights as a source of inspiration and transformation. Spend time in natural settings, especially during the darker months observing the night ski. Embrace a sense of awe and wonder as you witness the vibrant colors and ethereal movements of the lights. Allow their beauty to inspire creativity, reflection, and personal growth. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy, fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a quiet and serene location, preferably outdoors. Dress warmly to embrace the essence of the Arctic. 2. Begin by lighting the white candle as a representation of the divine presence of Arnarquagssaq. Focus on the flickering flame, allowing its light to illuminate your intentions. 3. Take a moment to close your eyes and breathe deeply, inhaling the crisp Arctic air. Imagine yourself surrounded by the enchanting beauty of the Arctic landscape, feeling the icy winds and hearing the whispers of the snow-covered wilderness. 4. Hold the bowl of ice or snow in your hands, feeling its coldness and connection to the Arctic. 5. Take a moment to sit in stillness. Listen to the quiet whispers of the Arctic, allowing its tranquil energy to wash over you. 6. When you feel ready, blow out the candle, symbolizing the completion of the ritual. Offer the bowl of ice or snow back to nature, releasing your intentions and offerings into the Arctic landscape. A final message. Words of wisdom from Arnarquagssaq. Beneath the shimmering colors of the Aurora Borealis, we are reminded that the world is a canvas, waiting for us to add our own brushstrokes of wonder and awe. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute, For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.